Oh, nano influencers. That's right. We were talking about nano influencers, right? And like, what's a nano influencer? Did you know you were an influencer? So anybody with 1,000 to 5,000 followers is a nano influencer. So the thing with nano influencers is that they engage with their audience. So when they engage with the audience, it gets the audience is more in tune to follow what they're doing. So if you say, if you have a Lego YouTube channel and you say, buy this new Lego set, people are going to buy just because you said so. That makes you an influencer, right? So nano influencers have more control because they're trusted more. They're more real people, right? You're gonna trust somebody about the new movie that came out. You're gonna trust somebody that you talked to that saw the movie, as opposed to an actor or an actress that said it was a great movie, because you know they're getting paid to say it's a great movie, right? The nano influencer is real on their level, right? And they can relate to them, so they're gonna believe it. So think about yourself. Like I just said, when someone says, "Hey, I just got these shoes. These are the greatest boots," and I've done it before at work, where someone says, "I just got these boots. They're the greatest boots. They're comfortable. They're warm. They're waterproof." Next thing you know, I'm out buying the same pair of boots just because so and so said they're great. They're a great pair of boots, and that happens in everything, right? That happens in everything. So you're an influencer, whether you like it or not, whether you didn't even know it, because you're telling your friends about things that you like, right? You're just doing it out of habit. You're just doing it out of habit. So why not get paid to do it? Now, how much can a nano influencer make? $1,000 to $5,000 a month.
Really?
$1,000 to $5,000 a month. Now, depends on the niche, depends on everything about whatever niche you're in. Can you give people advice? Can you get the beginner to become a novice? Is what I always say. Can you get the beginner to become a novice in any activity, any sport, any hobby, any anything, anything at all? Right? Can you get the beginner to become a novice? If you can do that, you can start a membership group and to get people over that hump. Because I always say there's that point, no matter what it is, no matter what niche it is, there's a point where the beginner says, "This is hard. This is getting hard. I'm gonna quit. I give up. I give up. This is too hard for me." Identify what that is and start doing content on how to overcome that problem. You'll be the next influencer in that niche for sure. They'll be looking for you you've solved their problem already. You've solved their problem, so now they're looking to you to solve their next problem, right? In the niche. And you don't have to be the expert. Stay one step ahead of them. Stay one step ahead of them. That's all you got to do. It's a no-brainer. Okay. Now we were talking about earlier. We were talking about how many followers, how many subscribers does it take for this to be worth your while? When do you become an influencer, right? And we were talking about nano influencers are between 1,000 and 5,000 followers. You went, that's it? I thought you had to have a million subscribers. I thought you had to have a million, 100,000 followers on TikTok to make any money. No, no. Nano influencers, $1,000 to $5,000 a month. A nano influencer can make with their following, with only having 1 to 5,000. Actually, it's like under 10,000 followers, right? Well, 5 to 10 is a micro influencer, and then you got macro influencer above 10,000, right? It's just a classification. It really doesn't mean anything, but what it means is uh, you could have a small audience and make money. You can monetize that audience. If you have that audience, you had that TikTok or that Instagram that you're always doing that thing that you do, right? Whatever it is. Let's say it's darts, right? I got the dartboard over here. So let's say it's darts. So, you give people pointers on darts and you have a YouTube channel, right? Only the people that are interested in darts. And I'll go one further, niche down. Okay, left-handed darts, right? People who shoot with their left hand, right? I don't know if that's even a thing, but let's just say it is, right? So people that shoot darts with their left hand, we're going to do a video on how to aim or whatever it is. I don't even know. I don't know anything about darts, but you do a video on that. So then your audience is small because it's only left-handed dart throwers are interested in it, right? And now that only left-handed dart throwers are interested in it, they're going to watch it. They're going to watch the whole thing. You're going to get better watch time, right? That's how you do it, right? So you're going to niche down and you're going to get better watch time, and then after you've niched down and you've gotten better watch time, then you can expand and get better, bigger, 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 bigger. Um, hey, I think we're going to call it a night.